Lesson 3. Inheritance and Gene Expression. Key terms: genotype. Genotype refers to an individual's specific genetic makeup. Phenotype. Phenotype is the observable trait or behaviors of an individual, such as tendencies to engage in or to avoid conflicts. In the previous lesson, we learned that genes control development by directing the production of proteins. However, not all genetic instructions are used at the same time or in every situation. Some instructions may never be activated, possibly because they are overridden by other DNA codes or because environmental factors don't trigger them. Genotype is determined at conception, but its expression into observable traits, phenotype, is influenced by both environmental factors and other genetic components. Scientists continue to uncover more about how genotype translates into phenotype. A key point is that genes typically interact with one another and are influenced by the environment. The expression of a gene which leads to protein synthesis depends on various factors such as the location of the cell in the body, the presence and activity of other genes in DNA, and how and when these genes have been expressed. The field of study is known as epigenetic. At the DNA level, genes expression involves converting DNA into mRNA, which is then used to make proteins. Only about 2% of our DNA codes for protein. For a long time, the purpose of the remaining 98% was unclear, with some scientists labeling it as junk DNA. However, recent research shows that much of this DNA regulates how protein coding genes are expressed. One way this regulatory DNA functions is by blocking transcription into mRNA until environmental factors such as regulation factors lift this inhibition. This means that gene expression can be influenced by external factors like chemicals from nearby cells or hormones. A key area of interest in epigenetics is the role of non-protein coding RNA. This RNA, synthesized from non-coding DNA sequences, has been found to play a crucial role in regulating gene expression. Some researchers believe that this regulation may have been essential in the evolution of human cognitive abilities, even more so than the increase in brain size. In summary, then, have two. One, the environment significantly impacts how our genetic inheritance shapes development, and two, the intricate nature of gene expression reveals the complex interaction between our genetic makeup, nature, and the environment, nurture. Thank you.